Hi, scholars. So today we're looking at lesson 17.8, counting with groups of 10 and leftovers. So we still have those same academic words of groups and tens. So just like you can see my stars here, I have one group of 10 and then I have leftovers. So I know that I have 10, 11, 12, 13. Because I have one group of 10 and 3 extra ones, I know that I have 13 in all. So today for your lesson, you are going to be doing exactly that. You will see some group of 10 stars, and you're going to see how many 10s do I have, and write out how many 10s are in each problem. Then you can count by ones and write how many are left over. And then you can find the answer in all. So how many 10s, how many ones, and that are left over, and then how many in all. And that's what you're going to post on Seesaw. Okay? Let's see what Rainbow Butterfly can teach us about this.
Look at the cubes. How can you count the cubes? You can count the cubes by ones. How many cubes are there?
If we counted one by one, how many are there?
There are 23 cubes. How can you find out how many groups of 10 and leftover ones there are?
We can skip count by tens, right? So we can see 1, 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over.
You can circle groups of 10s and then count the leftovers. How many groups of 10 are there?
How many circled groups of 10 are there, scholars? 1 and 2. 2 groups of 10.
There are 2 groups of 10. How many are left over?
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 left over. Why is it helpful to put the cubes in groups of 10? One reason is that it makes it easier to see the groups of 10 and leftovers. It makes it quicker to count. Are there still 23 cubes in all?
Did the cubes change, scholars, just because we circled them?
Yes, there are still 23 cubes.
Same number.
Why can you not make 3 groups of 10?
How come there aren't 3 groups of 10, scholars? 1, 2.
There are only 3 cubes left over.
Only 3.
That is not enough to make another group of 10. So, 23 is 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over. 23 is 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over. 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over is another way to say the number 23. Now you know how to put objects into groups of 10 to make them easier to count.
All right, scholars, now you've practiced with me and Rainbow Butterfly, so we can see that we have one group of 10 and 3 left over, and that makes 13 in all. And you're going to practice doing that on your work today and share it on Seesaw. Okay? All right, we'll talk to you soon, and you're doing a great job.